Do you want to double or triple your income for 2020 and beyond? By following the two principles I have outlined in this video can help you achieve those goals. Hi, I'm Wanny Huynh. I'm an author, speaker, entrepreneur, and coach. I have made it my mission to help first-generation immigrants achieve financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to touch on two principles to help you increase your income for 2020 and beyond. When you apply these two principles into your daily life, you will see an increase in your revenues for your business. Let's jump right into it. Principle number one, great entrepreneurs are givers. They always find a way to add value to their customers or client. Whether it's a useful information to help the customer be more productive in their day-to-day life, or just a little word of encouragement to help give them a little motivation to start the day. You can share a useful article you find on the web that can help your customers or clients save more money. Or if you find an article to help them live a healthy lifestyle, share that with them. This is something you can start right away. Principle number two, be a great listener. Great entrepreneurs listen more than they talk. Listen to your customer wants and needs, and then find ways to meet or exceed those wants and need. Being a great entrepreneur is not about how well you can talk, but rather how well you listen. Listen 90% of the time and use the other 10% to ask follow-up questions. Your customers or clients are not impressed by your sales pitch. They care more about how well you address their concern and how your product or service can help benefit them. If your product or service is not the right fit for them, then go out of your way to find one that does by applying principle number one. Apply this to your day-to-day life and watch your income increase for 2020 and beyond. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your customers or clients. I'll talk to you soon.